For this lesson, you are going to need your blue folder. In here, you will have a new math packet. Okay, so you're going to take that out of your blue folder, your solid blue folder, and you're going to write your name at the top first. I'm going to write my name at the top. I'm going to use my pencil. Please pause the video if you need some more time to do this. Okay, it's very important that you write your name on the top of this, because if it comes back to me without a name, then I won't know how you're doing, and I won't be able to give you a grade, the grade that you deserve, that you've earned for your math practice, okay? So make sure you've got your name written, okay? And then I'll have Spotty Cat follow me along today. So for number 1, it says trace the number 26. Write the number 26 one more time after you trace it. So 26 is a 2 and a 6 together, so we can say that. 26, 26, 26. Okay, and I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to start at the dot and do it by myself. 26. And that 6 and the 2 are going to be close together so that you say 26. Okay? All right, I hope yours came out well. Let's go to number 2. So number 2 is a story. Solomon put 5 glasses on the table. Then he put 1 more glass on the table. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the number of glasses on the table. So I'm going to do some data mining. Okay, so what's important here is the numbers for us for math. So I'm going to circle my 5 in this story and circle the 1. Okay, so glasses can look like rectangles. So, and if you don't want to use circles or squares, I'm just going to first I have to put 5 on the table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've set up the left side of my problem. So there's 5 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then he put 1 more. So when it's 1 more, that means it's going to be an addition problem. So I need to put my plus sign. Okay. And then 1 more. So there it is. From drawing the picture like that, I know how to write my number sentence, because I'm just going to bring that down and use numbers instead of pictures to show the math problem. So on this side of the plus sign, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glasses. So I'm going to write the number 5 here. Okay, I'm going to bring down my plus sign. And then there's 1 glass on that side. On the other side, my plus side. So that's our number sentence, 5 plus 1. So then I'm going to solve. So how many glasses are on the table now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So because we set up the problem with pictures, we can solve it just by counting our pictures. Okay, so now we're going to go down to question 3. So it says point to the one that is different. Put an X on it. Okay, so do you see where we're working right here? We have a rectangle and a triangle pushed together, and one of them is different. So we have rectangle upside down triangle, or we have a rectangle and then a triangle that's resting on the point there. We have a rectangle, but then we have a triangle who has a flat side at the bottom. Rectangle, triangle on a point right here. Rectangle, triangle on a point right here. So which one is different? You're going to put an X on it. Go ahead and put an X on the one that is different. Okay. All right, did you find it? It is right here. This is the one that's different. All of these have the triangle on the point, almost like it's a cone where you could put an ice cream in there. This one, it's facing, the point is at the top rather than the bottom. Okay, so check your work, make sure you found that. Okay, now you're going to need a few crayons. Okay, the first color you're going to need is your red crayon. Okay, for number 4, it says point to the square on the top left. color it red. Okay, so for me, I'm always holding my crayon with my right hand. You might be right-handed or left-handed. So left is always the side of the page with the holes in it. And the top, here's the top and left. So the one that's closest to top left is right here. So this is the square that we're going to color red. Go ahead and do that. All right, so then the next instruction says, point to the square at the bottom left, color it blue. So you're going to find a blue crayon, and left is going to be the side with the holes, and the bottom is down here, so bring that together, and it's this one right here. This is the one that we're going to color blue. Okay, so that was the second set of instructions. The third instruction says, point to the square at the top right, color it green. So the right side's going to be this side over here without the holes, and the top is up here. So bring those together, and we've got this square right there, and we need to color that one green. So this is the top right. Okay. One more instruction on problem number 4. Point to the square at the bottom right, color it yellow. So again, this is the right side of our page, this is the bottom. Bring those together, and you only have one square left. And yes, that's the one that we're going to color in yellow. Okay. I like that. That was a pretty fun math page today. I hope you enjoyed that. Go ahead and give yourself an exit ticket at the top. So this is going to get put away now in your calendar math booklet folder. Close it up, and we'll get ready for our next lesson.